Here we are. It's running.
There you go.
Come on.
Alright. So guys, what's up? At the high-speed rail in Birmingham, just today checking out this starter day. Like, yeah, they got augmented reality as well and VR and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's pretty sick, guys.
And action.
Right, is it done? Oh, wow. Yo, that's different, that is. Check out the screen, I can see. Right. Okay, that's not my hand. That was... Right.
Hit your hands by your side.
Okay. My hands. Give me the money. Give me the money, boy. Okay.
Press. You almost grab it.
Is it?
It's weird, isn't it? Because you think it's your hands actually making those movements.
Wait.
How about you do the middle finger?
Okay. Does that work now?
Let's have a look.
Right.
Oh,
There we go.
There.
The train's moving.
Yeah, come on, let's do this.
you better be careful.
Right.
Just hope you
Okay,
don't
so
go
what's
around
this
any
train?
corners.
I'm guessing the braking is this one?
They both do the same thing. They both move at
both-
the same time.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay.
guess so.
Right, because I've never... Whoa, okay, this is getting a bit fast, isn't it?
Okay, try to slow it down a
So
little bit.
if you push, the further forward you push it, the slower it goes.
I don't want to push too far because I want more to not look.
Okay, you're going too fast now.
Yeah, I think...
Scott, you're going too fast. Oh man.
Right.
Just press a few buttons.
Okay, you gonna work?
Okay, push some buttons.
No, slower.
No, you're going faster.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta go back. Try to go back. You're still going faster.
Okay. I'm just gonna...
It's about to
pull
die.
it out and... Okay. Okay.
There's a computer there, Scott.
The buttons are a little bit... Like, there's no way to...
Well, yeah, that's it.
Sorry.
I imagine you're expecting some resistance on your hand, which isn't there.
Which, of course, isn't
So
there.
just, yeah.
I mean, I've played... It's not... Is that going to do it now?
So, not pull your hand. Just hand forward, and then when it looks like it's stopped on it, then just...
There are some weird people when I use that one on the railways. Within the bathroom.
Right, how do I slow down?
I wanted to greet them.
Can I slow down?
I can't believe my hand turned white.
Yeah, is anyone that one?
I saw a dream.
Yeah.
I probably did.
There's a little fan up in the
I pointed
as
that
well.
out
It
at
should be
the
there on
start.
computer.
Can you feel the breeze, I think?
No. No, it's really cool though.
Okay, cool.
I've got to admit, guys, this is really cool. So
You guys can go...
you should check this out if there is a day that they invite people, members of the public, to come in.
Where's the only issue?
Still recording, yeah?
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and keep watching the rest because there's going to be more.